people up in the chandeliers. The wine and dining, the menu is blood, sweat, and tears. Everybody ready, raining down confetti. Champions are born right now. Ain't about the glamour, click goes the hammer. Run when you hear that sound. Heroes never die, gonna make it to the finish line. We know we survive, even if we crawl to the finish line. All believe it, underdog dreaming, don't get no cheers. World's gotta say it.
Here we are, we're currently at Target right now. We're gonna check out the Spin Master Model Jam or Horace Monster trucks if we might find them. Or it might be the same trucks as Blast from the past. We're doing the gun, the final store video. And Toy Hunt Battle Series. Same trucks. Yep. Same as the previous. Makes 25, makes 23 the same as the previous trucks as before. So we're gonna set the end caps, see what they have. Oh wait, we didn't find anything, so we're gonna probably get towards Walmart. We see where we get towards Walmart as all, but also Target was down, so we're gonna check out Walmart and see what they have.
Yeah.
Here we are recording at Geppetto's, so we're gonna check out in the final store video to 100 business. Something. Red Ranger of that truck. I don't think there's any more. There's something more in the background. I'll be right back. So this is all I found in the store. So I will put on Instagram and see when we get back home. Hey everybody, welcome to not box review today. So I got back from Swami, and also I got back from Geppetto's as well, from the local store as well. Anyway, was not wasting more time. Let's do a review of the Hose Martin truck I got from Swami, or a replacement from the censored one towards the uncensored one. It is Mount Melissa of this truck, so I'm wondering, why is your other one censored? Well, because while it was a childhood, my mom did have to censor the weapon right here, but anyway, I finally got this replacement. I think it was from 2017. This one came out, so we got the margin logo and the hose logo, the skull and the red circle around it, with the Mount Melissa logo, the skeleton soldier with the gun right here as well, pointing of a weapon, and nothing putting it on the hood. Some paint screams on this paint scheme as well, with the skull and a red circle around it with red spider in the corner. Seeing as that's going on with the chrome rims, the black roll cage, and the chrome chassis as well, with the World's Finals 2-time World's Finals champion of this logo right here on the tailgate. So that's that one. And next up we have, for the Hose Monsters I got from the store, from Case B. So here it is. I'm about to unveil it as soon as I get this thing on second. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It is Piranha of a Monianis of this truck, of this new series available, different casting as well. And look at the back of this packaging right here. So I also got the previous one, the first one ever I got for Case B, which is Hightail Hollow as well. I got this first case truck of all. You saw the previous one, and Piranha right here in this package. And last but not least, Red Planet Ranger. So you will see this truck at the moment as well as the unveil. Anyway, without not wasting more time, I'll wrap this Frisbee Street 2. Here it is. I got the Piranha logo, some Monianis logo on the top of it, and here's the Cosmic car as well, the orange. And here's the truck itself, Piranha. I've been doing casting in this truck, so here we got the purple neon belongs as well, with the purple blue neon rims as well, with the hose logo, neon lights on the lining on the lines on the fish right here in the door panel, with the blue and purple going across. The pink scheme is on the outline as well, with the blue outline on the web of the fish as well, and some green outline as well going across the back towards the front of it. So same thing else that's going on with the pink eye, the pink jaw, and the pink fin on the top, and black fin in the back, with the Hose Monsters logo on the tailgate as well on the back of this fish. So that's one of the trucks. But before we do that, it's got the black roll cage and the black chassis as well. So that's that one. And for the last truck, to wrap up this video, I know you guys are gonna be saying, why are you premiering the few days after Christmas. Well, this is my recording during Christmas Day. Around there, here it is. It is Web Planet Angel. This is a different casting of Wreck-It National, but it's a different truck event. So here it is. And to look at the back as well. So here it is. I only need to pick up, which is Mega Wax right here. This truck right here to pick up one more truck. The complete full case being the rest of the bottom well all were re-releases. All the repeated trucks as the previous ones. So here it is. I'm about to unwrap this Moham 3, 2, 1. So we got the Web Planet Ranger logo as well on the card, and the blue crystal card as well. And here's the truck itself, Web Planet Ranger. So this is a space theme of this truck on Moham. So we got the Web Planet in the background, the Howard's logo right there, and the Web Planet Ranger logo on and on the roof as well on the back. And also got the West Sea like flaming like mechanical flames on paint scheme as well with the Howard's logo, and nothing put it on the hood and put it in as well on the roof with the flaming burnt rusty old like on the roof as well as some flaming hot metal mechanical on the back on the roof as well with the Howard's logo as well. Supposed to be a special shuttle of the Moham with the orange treads as well with the orange rims, so orange markings and the yellow chassis as well. So here's the back of it as well with the ladder and some lining right here on the back with the taillights put in it as well with the Howard's logo right there. So that will conclude of today's unboxing and review video for you guys today. Hope you do enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So this is Aaron 310 signing out, and happy holidays. And you're gonna be missing out when I premiere it on during Christmas Day. So happy holidays and happy New Year's and goodbye.